Did you know you can engrave photos onto glass using the diode laser? And I'm going to try a new method that I think you're going to think is cool. Full disclosure, I have never engraved a photo on glass, so this is going to be trial and error, so just bear with me, and I'm going to show you the process that I do to kind of get from the idea in my head to a laser engravable product. So since we are engraving this glass on a diode laser, we have to have some kind of coating on it of paint or whatever you choose. That way the laser can actually see the glass and engrave it. I prefer these chalk markers as opposed to any kind of spray because it just dries so much faster. And I've done a bunch of different videos on engraving glass on different diode lasers, so make sure you check those out. And then I get the one with the nice fat tip. And then it's real easy. You want to have a nice even coat on the whole area that you are going to engrave. And I just let it dry for like 30 seconds, honestly. Other options are definitely tempera paint or spray chalk paint or even the laser marking sprays. But I like this method, so this is what we're going to use. All right, so this photo, we are going to go with 75 power. DPI, I think I'm going to try between, I think for this first one, let's do 125. And dot duration, we'll do 200. And we'll see how this kind of works for us. And then we can frame it out. So first thing we need to do is get this in focus and have the two dots overlap. All right, that looks great. All right, that looks good. This is going to take 6 seconds, which I don't think is correct. So let's just see what happens. Because there's no way that's right. It's super hard to see, but it did do a very, very faint marking. I'm gonna bump this up to 350 and this one also to 350. Let's try that. We need to do some stuff to our photo, which I forgot to do. And so I'm gonna come up here to edit image. I'm gonna click this little thing, perfect. And then we'll click confirm, and then we can try this again. All right, so this looked a lot better with doing the power 75, 350 DPI, and 350 dot duration. The only thing is I forgot I need to invert the image. So I'm going to go to image processing, click invert, and then click confirm. And then let's do one more test. And this is only going to take 1.5 minutes. All right, and that looks pretty good. The nice thing is you can clean this off with water or, you know, with a cloth. So let's wipe off all this excess and then see what we're left with. Kind of hard to see, but it looks pretty good. All right, so for the real test, we're going to do one of these glass round ornaments. And I like how this came out with the paint marker technique, but I want to try a second technique of where you place it on a black background. We're going to try this method, and I think it's going to work really well. And for this, we're going to do 70 power, 350 DPI, 400 dot duration. Let's hit start. All right, and that looks pretty cool. You can see it looks a little bit dirty just from the back of the card, but we'll just use this little wipe here. And then that looks pretty awesome. Doesn't get much cooler than that. If you want to learn more about engraving glass with a diode laser, then definitely check out this playlist of videos I have on different styles of glass. They can actually produce a really stunning result, and so you definitely should not sleep on using these smaller diode lasers to engrave glass because it might just surprise you.